Hi, if you are looking to create a e-commerce store for your clothing brand, so this is the tutorial you can follow. यदि आप खुद से e-commerce वेबसाइट बनाना चाहते हैं तो ये ट्यूटोरियल आपके लिए है. आप इसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप फॉलो कर सकते हैं. धन्यवाद. So guys, at the end of the tutorial, what kind of store you will build? So you will build a store something like this. So it is created using a free theme and Gutenberg editor. So Gutenberg editor is very easy to use editor, and this tutorial is completely for beginners who don't want to pay for the premium theme and want to use the free theme. Thank you. So if you are planning to buy a domain, so generally I prefer Namecheap. Namecheap is one of the best website which can provide you some of the facilities like domain privacy free of cost that other vendors charge for it. Okay, so domain लेने के लिए namecheap.com एक बहुत ही अच्छी सर्विस है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, यदि आप होस्टिंग की बात करें तो होस्टिंग के लिए आई विल प्रेफर SiteGround. SiteGround एक बहुत अच्छी वेबसाइट है जहां से आप होस्टिंग ले सकते हैं. इवन वर्डप्रेस भी SiteGround को रिकमेंड करता है. जो टॉप 3 होस्टिंग है उनमें SiteGround को वर्डप्रेस भी रिकमेंड करता है. अलॉन्ग विद दैट, यदि आप दूसरी होस्टिंग की बात करें तो ब्लूहोस्ट एक बहुत ही अच्छी होस्टिंग सर्विस है. और डेफिनेटली when you will start SEO, you will never regret if you will take SiteGround or Bluehost, right? Even if you are in quite budget, right? So not in budget, Hostinger के भी प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. जैसे कि आप देखें कि ये शेयर्ड होस्टिंग की जो वेबसाइट है इनकी SiteGround में, इफ यू सी वर्डप्रेस होस्टिंग, राइट, तो इनका जो प्राइस है $2.99 पर मंथ है, और होस्टिंगर में भी लगभग उतना ही है, $2.49 पर मंथ. सो इफ यू वांट टू गेट होस्टिंग फ्रॉम होस्टिंगर, so hostinger is also one of the best website you can get, right? And if you are if you are planning to grow your e-commerce store, right, so apart from this startup, grow big and go geek, so I will prefer this one, grow big, right? It has a good amount of space, unlimited website, and good for monthly visitors, 1 lakh monthly visitors, right? It will provide you free domain, free SSL certificate, free email, and other services as well. You will get daily backup. So these are few facilities, this SiteGround, Bluehost. And if you want to check hosting of this bluehost.in prices, right, so it has this kind of price, $279 per month for basic, for choice plus this much. And if you see, so unmetered SSD storage, unlimited website, domain for 1 year, and it will, when it will renew, it will cost you 1399 rupees. So these are the things, these are the hosting which I prefer, and one of the hosting is recommended by WordPress as well. You can get the domain from Namecheap and hosting from this sites. So we have already installed the WordPress, and this is our dashboard, and we are using the Hostinger hosting. Okay, so first of all, let me have a look at the dashboard. First of all, go to this users, right? So here you can add and delete users. let's say if you want to give access to someone with some credentials, you can create user. This is only single user has been created by default, but if you want to add new user, you can click at this add new user. You can add the username, email, first name, last name, and then you can assign the role. So here so many roles are there: subscriber, contributor, author, editor and administrator. So in this way you can add the user, right? And then when you will go to the setting, you will see some setting parts, and the important thing is go to the permalink. Now here check your permalink is plain, day and name, month and name, numeric, post name or custom structure. If it is other than post name, then please select this one, post name. This will be this will be helpful when you will start doing SEO, because your URL slug will represent some keywords of your post or the page keyword, right? It will be helpful for your SEO. Now let me check what are the plugins installed. So plugins are the functionality of your website. So already a cache plugin has been installed, and some Hostinger default plugin has been installed. Let me add some plugins. So it is an e-commerce website. The first plugin we should add is WooCommerce. So this is WooCommerce. Install it. And activate it. You can add some other useful plugins as well. So here if you want to do SEO, so you can add Yoast, is one of the good plugin for SEO. Rank Math, Yoast SEO, all-in-one SEO. So you can install any of these. All are good, but recommended is Yoast SEO and Rank Math. Okay. Now here you can find the pages. So all the pages you can, if you want to add, there are some default pages. If you want to add some pages, you can use this add new page, right? Now come to appearance and add new theme. Here we will add Bloxy theme. Bloxy theme is a free theme. So now from here we have to go to this starter sites, right? In this starter site we will choose the theme which is suitable for us. So here we will select this one, Homey, right? It will ask whether you want to start with Gutenberg, you want to edit this site with Gutenberg, Breezy or Elementor. So it's completely your choice. So let me import it. So it will ask like you want to install child theme, or you want to do the edit at this theme. So you can select the child theme and press next. Then we will use the default Gutenberg. Press next. Then it will ask us to install these two theme plugins which we haven't installed. Next, and it will install it. Now either you can view the site, or now you can see the site how it's looking, right? It's quite good. You can use it. It's like looking very professional and wonderful. So in this way you can install the theme and its template, right? Next we will start with customizing this theme. Okay, before moving ahead, let me check what is WooCommerce and what kind of thing it can provide us, and what are the functionality it can add to our store. Generally, WooCommerce is a plugin of WordPress which gives WordPress a functionality of selling, right? This is the plugin which creates your normal website as an online store, right? When you come to the WooCommerce tab at the left hand side, when you will click home, you can check these extensions, right? Grow your business. So this marketing extension, these are the recommended marketing extensions by the WooCommerce, right? You can add any of this. So it is Google for WooCommerce, in the same way TikTok, Pinterest and Facebook for WooCommerce. Reach out to customers extensions like MailPoet and MailChimp. MailChimp is very popular email marketing tool. You can use this to reach out to your customer and retarget them, right, using your email newsletter. Apart from that, there is another one is order. So here, whenever you will receive an order, it will be visible here. Even you can add an order by clicking the button add order, right? Next is customer. So you can check all the customers who have been logged into your portal or logged into your e-commerce store. Their details will be available here, who have purchased products from your store. Next is coupons. Coupon is something which like allow your customer to get discount, right? Here you can add the coupon. For adding coupon, you can generate the coupon code. You can describe this. This is optional. You can describe your coupon. It will be fixed card discount, percentage discount, whatever you can mention it here. Then you can put the expiry date of your coupon, right? And usage restriction. So minimum spend you can put it here, and other details like for any specific products. If you want to exclude any product category you want to keep under discount, you want to exclude the product category which are not going to get the discount, allowed email, product brands, and exclude the brands. So in this way you can create a coupon code, right? Apart from that, so this is a marketing section, creating a coupon. So we have by default opened the marketing, but let me go to WooCommerce again, and next is report. In report, when you will start a full-fledged e-commerce store and you will start getting business, you can get the report here, right? You can get like how much sales you got in the last 7 days, this month, last month, right, and a complete year, you will get the details here. Okay, and even if you want to check date wise, you can put date range here and you will get the details of orders here. Next is customer. So in the order, not only this, like sales by date, but sales by product is also there. Now you can see the products detail here. You will see the product detail here, and you can like check how much products have been sold in last 7 days, this month, last month, and the year. Sales by category, coupon by date, and customer downloads. So here you will find all the customers in your store. Next is customers. So customer versus guest who have came to your website and not purchased anything, but the customers are those who have purchased your product. So here you will get the ratio. And next is customer list. All the customers list will be available here. Next is stock. You have a product, you have stocks. So if you can get the product name, right, parent category, unit in stocks, stock status, or action, right? So in this way, and out of stock data you will find here. Most stock data will be found here, right? Next is setting. So setting is something you will set up your whole store. So here you have to put the address, city, country, postal code, and other like selling locations where you are selling. You are selling to all countries, you are selling to specific countries, you are selling to all countries except some countries. Shipping location, where you are shipping. So in this way you can do this. Enable tax rate and calculation. If you want to enable tax rate and calculation, you can check it out here. Calculate coupon discount sequentially. Enable the use of coupon code. Now what kind of currency you want? You want United States dollar, or you want Singapore dollar, or you want any other currency? You can type it here. Let me check Indian rupees and save it. So in this way you have set your account, your online store settings. Next is status. So here various status of your system will be appear, right? So some of them are technical, some of them are store related. Next one is extension. So in extension you will get some extra plugins or some extra like this can increase the functionality of your store, right? So printful is print on demand. Might be you are aware of this service. So printful is what it do. Your customer will upload their design and printful will fulfill. It is a kind of fulfillment service on demand, right? It will fulfill your customers requirements on demand, right? Next is a Stripe tax, Affirm payments, and some other extensions are there. Google Analytics for WooCommerce. So many functions are there, so many plugins are there, so you can check it out one by one and you can use it as per your requirement. Now how you will add the product in your store, right? This is your store backend dashboard. So to add the product, at the left hand side you have to come to this part, products. Then you will click at all the products. So all the products which you have already been listed in your store will be displayed here in this table, right? And if you want to add a product, you need some categories, right? Category of that particular product. So let me add the category first. For that you have to click the category, and then let me add a category that is sari. So sari is a category of product in which and the upper category for this is like clothing, right? So in this description you can put some data. Let me search sari and let me click any of these, right? And for this description, this is, we are creating a category, and for display type it's a subcategory, you can say, right? And the parent category is clothes, and then you can add the category. Now here you can see sari has been added as a subcategory, right? Now you have to add the product, so you can come to this one, add new product. So adding a new product, you have to name the product. So let me copy this, and then you have to type the product description. So let me copy this one, and then in the product short description we can add some short description from below, right? And then we will come at the bottom part. So is it a simple product? So let me check how we can upload a simple product. There are various type of product. Currently if we are creating e-commerce website for clothing brand, so these simple product, grouped product and variable product will be useful. So we will check the simple product first. So let me put the price, regular price and the sales price. So regular price, let me put the regular price 1500 and the sales price 1250 rupees. Then inventory, if you have SKU to track your inventory, you can put SKU. And stock management, do you want to manage your stock? So yes, we want to manage stock. And the quantity, this product you have in how much quantity, so let me put it 100. So if you want back orders, you can allow it. If you don't want it, you put just do not allow. Low stock threshold, you can keep it here. Whatever the threshold, it will like start warning you if the product threshold will be get lowered. So keep it like 10 or whatever you want. Sold individually, if you want people to limit purchase to one item per order, so you can just check it out. But if you want a single person can buy more than one, so you uncheck it. Now shipping, you can put the weight, dimensions of the product. Apart from that, if you have created some shipping classes, we can segment this product by shipping classes, right? Link product, if you want to upsell or cross sell along with this particular product, you can choose that particular product to upsell or cross sell, right? Next is attributes. So you can mention your attributes here using the pipe sign. Advance, you can put your purchase note here, right? If you want to enable the review for the product, you can enable it. If you don't want to enable it, you can uncheck this checkbox. Get more option. If you want to name your price, you can use this and other extensions, right? You have to activate these extensions. Next, what slug you want. So here let me put this slug. and here we have to upload the product image. Right at the right hand side, let me upload a product image. So here let me take a product image, main image, and set product image. Now product gallery image, add it to your product gallery image. Now what kind of category it is? It is under clothing and sari, right? Next, if you want to put the product tag, you can keep it product tag. If you have created some brands, you are selling branded products, you can put the brand name here. You have to add the brand and then just press publish. Right now, if you will see your product in the store, it will look something like this, right? So you have the title of the product, you have the price, and you have the description of the product and other informations you have. Even the person can check the review as well, right? So in this way you can create a simple product. Okay, now let me check how we can add a variable product. So before that, let me add a category called pants. Keep the same thing in slug. So it is under clothes. Add this category. Now this category has been added. Now add a new product. Let me check like what kind of pant. Okay, this one, right? So let me take the product name from here. It's a variable product, and let me check the description. What kind of description has been given? So let's take the product details from here only. And product short description. Let's take the product short description. This is only for the learning purpose. And then it's a variable product. Choose the variable product. In the inventory, put your SKU. If you are managing your inventory through SKU, you can it's a code, you can keep it here. Then if you want to track the stock quantity for this product, you can check it out here and put the stock management. If you want to limit the purchase, 1 item per order, you can check this. Now shipping, in the same way, put the weight, dimensions, and shipping class, put it in the shipping class. Link product, if you want to upsell or cross sell any of the product, you can use this. Then attributes, right? So here we have different colors of product, right? So black, khaki, light gray, and olive green. So in the variations, if you have to add the things in the this. So it's color, let me take black, then a pipe sign, then khaki, pipe sign, light gray, and olive green. And save it. Then variations, generate variation. So variations has been generated. Now here you have to put the images of individual product. Let's say black, so just upload the black one. Then put your SKU, variations, gallery, you can put here, regular price, sales price, and other details you can put here. Then for khaki, just get the image, regular price, light gray, regular price, sales price, and olive green. And then save change. If you want to keep the purchase note, you can put it here. You can add some extra extension by browsing the extension and activating it. And here you can put the product image. Let me put the product image, and let me put the product gallery. Product category is clothes and pants. Then just publish it. When you will check, it will look something like this. It's not bad. Okay, so here in this way. And then color, if you want to choose the color, you can like choose it. It will show you the different color. Khaki, it will show you the khaki. And if you want light gray, it will show you light gray. And in this way you can add the variable products. Now we will start with designing our home page. तो होम पेज आप देख सकते हैं कि हेडर पे ये मेन्यू है, या यहाँ ये लोगो है, और राइट हैंड साइड पे ये कुछ आइकन्स हैं, ठीक है. देन बैकग्राउंड इमेज, ये वीडियो के लिए आपका सेक्शन है, वीडियो सेक्शन. इफ यू हैव अ वीडियो यू कैन क्रिएट अ होम पेज वीडियो लाइक दिस. यहाँ पर ये हेडर है और हेडिंग, सब हेडिंग, कॉल टू एक्शन बटन. देन यहाँ पर आपके जो भी यूएसपीज हैं वो है. उसके बाद फिर आपकी कैटेगरीज. इफ़ यू हैव कैटेगरीज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स तो यहाँ पर ये आपको कैटेगरी अवेलेबल है. देन uh, if you have some extra product, some unique products, you can show it here. आप यहाँ उस particular product को दिखा सकते हैं, like new arrival collection. So ये एक तरीके से highlighter products हैं, right? Then आपके ये latest blog, but home page पे generally blogs it's not correct, means generally आप जब कोई भी e-commerce website देखते होंगे तो वो blogs वो home page पे कभी भी शो नहीं करते, क्योंकि जनरली ब्लॉग्स का काम क्या है कि आपके जो प्रोडक्ट पेज है वहां तक ट्रैफिक लेके आना थ्रू कंटेंट मार्केटिंग, राइट? तो यहाँ पर फिर आपके ये ट्रेंडिंग प्रोडक्ट्स आपको शो कर रहा है, ठीक है? तो अभी यहाँ पर हमको यदि होम पेज एडिट करना है तो यहाँ क्योंकि हमारा जो एडिटर है वो गुटेनबर्ग है, देन प्रेस हियर एडिट होम पेज. नाउ सबसे पहला काम हम ये करते हैं, क्योंकि वी आर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट अ वेबसाइट फॉर क्लोथिंग ब्रांड, सो हमको ये बैकग्राउंड चेंज करना होगा. क्लिक द बैकग्राउंड इमेज. यहाँ पर आपको ये कुछ सेटिंग्स अवेलेबल होंगी, लेआउट एंड अदर थिंग्स, राइट? सो जनरली इट्स द गैप, column arrangement, column gaps. So layout for the image, background image. Style पे आप आइए, then आप background को चेक कर क्लिक करके आपको यहाँ पर background image मिल जाएगी. यहाँ पर आप either you can put a image or you can put a video as well. Then आप image क्लिक करिए और अपनी यहाँ पर जो भी आपको डिफरेंट इमेजेस आपको पसंद है, जो भी आपने अपलोड करके रखी हुई हैं, आप उसको सिलेक्ट कर लीजिए. सो लेट मी सिलेक्ट दिस वन. अभी आपने ये इमेज सिलेक्ट कर ली, देन जस्ट सेव इट. आपको यदि लाइक टाइटल चेंज करना है, ब्यूटीफुल क्राफ्टेड मॉडर्न फर्नीचर, सो लेट वी गेट सम टाइटल फ्रॉम ChatGPT. Give some good and unique title and subtitle with description for clothing e-commerce website. Home page, hero section. Click enter here. Now ChatGPT will suggest you some of the titles, subtitles and description. So timeless fashion, endless possibilities. Wear your confidence. Unbox style, unleash elegance. Your style, your story. Where fashion meets comfort. So it is good. Ab let me go to this section, right? And here just change your text. Where fashion meets comfort, and save it. Then your text description experience high quality fabrics, trendy design and seamless shopping. Upgrade your wardrobe today. Okay, this is good. Now the next one is the subheading. Subheading is design to fit, style to impress. Okay, that's good. That is good one. Now change this new collection. design to fit and style to impress. So here you have changed this. Now explore now is good, but if you want to add some link relevant to any of the page, so here you can also change the button type, right? So it's your wish what kind of button you want, right? And even the size of the button you can change. You want dark, you want when you will hover the button, what you want, lift, you want to scale, you want to lift and scale, so it will move a bit upward and it will enlarge, right? So let me put darken, so it will become a bit dark. यहाँ पर आप जो है अपनी वेबसाइट, like if you want to send the person who is clicking this button, इस बटन को जो क्लिक कर रहा है, यदि आप उसको शॉप पेज पे भेजना चाहते हैं, then you can just paste that particular page link here. उस particular page का link आप यहाँ पर paste कर सकते हैं, right? Shop page, and the person will move to that particular page after clicking this button. Okay. Now, अब यहाँ पर यदि आपको इस particular like these are the some USP, high quality, fast delivery, best warranty. If you want to change any of this from here, तो आप यहाँ पर क्लिक करके अपने इस पर्टिकुलर आइकन को चेंज कर सकते हैं. आइदर यू कैन अपलोड एसवीजी, और आप कोई आइकन यहाँ से ही आप ले सकते हैं, ठीक है? लेट मी चेंज इट, सो दिस इन दिस वे, हाई क्वालिटी. आपको टेक्स्ट चेंज करना है, व्हेन यू विल क्लिक हियर you will get the text here in the content. So in this way you can change the content. Now the next one is categories. Generally you can have as many categories you want, but if you are starting out any of the e-commerce store, it will be difficult to handle more categories. So start with 3-4 categories maximum, right? So here if you want to change this category image, like our store is for clothing, right? So here I want to change. If you are not seeing the image, you have to come to style, and then from here you will find the image. You can select the image here, and if you want to upload any of the image, you can upload it, right? So let me select this one. Let me create a category sari. Sari is one of the category, right? If you want to change sari, okay. If you want to have a link to some page, so just put this category. Now the person can click here and go to the category page. Now save it. Now let me change this one. Upload the particular image. Now here this is for men's clothing, okay. And in the same way, if you have created the category page or the category, you can type that particular link here, paste that particular link here, right? So in this way you can create this section. Next, now here is the product limit, right? So let me show you our store, how it's looking, and the product section, the featured product section. This is the shortcode, right? Shortcode from the WooCommerce we have used. And if you want to change something here, as you can see, column is 3 and limit product 6, product limit 6. So here are 6 product total and the column is 3. If you want, let me change it. I want 4 products, 4 columns, you can say 4 columns. So if I will refresh it, you can see now we have 4 columns. As the number of products is limit is 6, so let me put it 8. And you can see currently here 6 products are there. Now you can see 8 products, right? So you can change it. And let me take other example. Let me put 5 columns and 10 products max. So it will be displayed in this way, right? Featured products. So it's up to you how many products you want to show, right? And how many so it's up to you, right? So let me put it, keep it to 6, and here it's to 3, column is 3, right? Next, you can see this is, if you have some very trending product or some product is getting more sales, you can highlight using this section, right? So okay, after this blog section, you will get this newsletter subscription, right? So here someone who wants to get your newsletter in their inbox, they will put their email, and might be if you have MailChimp or any other email services, you can put their HTML code here. So what will happen when someone put their email address to get your newsletter, so it will go to the MailChimp directly rather than storing at the back end of your website, right? So it will be like reduce the overhead of putting your email to your email marketing tool, right? Next is trending now. So trending now, again, if we see in the home page, this section is trending now is here, right? Like this. So here again we have max 4 products and 4 columns. So generally it is like those products which are trending, right? So here if we see, product limit is 4 and column is 4. Order by ratings. So the higher rating, the better rank, right? So in this way we have, if we want to change, like rather than 4, let me put 5 products and 5 columns and save it, right? Now what will happen? So you get 5 products and 5 columns, right? So let me keep it 4 by 4, means 4 columns and max 4 products. Now you can see 4 products are there, and this is trending now section, in which like different blog post or the searches is showing which is trending in the website. So if you want to remove this, because if you want to remove this trending now section, there is a difference between this trending now and this trending now. This is the products which are trending, right, and this is the searches or the content which are trending. So now we will edit the header and the footer. Okay, now if you want to change the header and the footer, this will be the header of your website, this logo, and these are few icons, right? And if you go at the bottom, you will find this content, right? There's email, newsletter, subscription, and other links to your different pages of your website, right? So let me first customize the header. So here the first thing we want to change this logo, right? For the logo, what we have to do for the logo, what we have to do, we have to come to the appearance, right? And in the appearance, go to this customize, and in this customize, select this header section. Then you will find something like this, right? Something like this. And when you will select the logo, when you will select the logo, this section of the logo will be opened, right? Just select the logo what you have designed for your store and just publish it. Now when you will refresh it, it will look something like this. The logo should be quite bigger, and there should be a gap between this cloth and store. So actually this logo I have designed in Canva and only for this learning purpose, and there should be a gap and a bigger size should be there in the logo. Okay, next is if you want to change the menu, right? So when you will click to the menu, you will find that different ways of menu. If we select this one and publish it, and when currently what it's showing like this, but when we will refresh, so it will start showing like this. You can see a border at the top as well, right? Let me change it in a different way. Publish it and then again refresh your website, and you can see the selected will looks like this. So let me keep it default. So it will look something like this. Next is you can put search, account, and card. You can change the card symbol. Currently it's looking like this, right? You can put it like this or this, right? So just publish it and refresh your website, so it has changed, right? If you want to change search, you can change it from here, right? If you want to change the account, you can change it from here. So even you can change the account symbol. Currently it's looking like this account symbol, and if you want to change it, it will looks like this. Okay, so in this way you can change the header section, but you will ask like from where this menu item has came, right? So come to dashboard, here go to appearance and then go to menus. here you can find this things, right? Let me put some product categories inside products, right? So here is the category of product, but news and useful is showing there. So if we want to bring in the categories, we have to, this is screen option, check it and just click the product categories, right? It will start showing product categories. Now you can put sari and pants, because these two things we have added, and keep it as a sub menu here, right? And then just save it. Check it out in the product, in the main page. Now it's looking like this, and when you will click it, it will be shown like this, right? So in this way it will work, and you can edit the header section. Now we want to change the footer. To change the footer, go to appearance in the dashboard and go to customize. When you will click the customize, you will reach at this section, right? In this section, just click the footer. Now here, if you want to change something, any widget, you can change it. If you can check this, it is same like this contact us section, right? This is contact us. You can change the phone number, you can change the email and the address of the business, right? Next, if you want to change the widget second, you can change it here. If you want to change the widget 3, you can change it from here. Widget 4, change it from here, newsletter, okay? And then even the other widget, if you want to add some extra widget or some extra something different here, you can add it, right? Let's say I want to add widget 5 here and widget 6 here. So if there will be anything, it will be shown in the widget. If it's blank, it's not going to show you anything, right? So in this way you can edit the footer section of the website, right? Just publish it. Now we will add payment gateway in our website, right? For that we will integrate Razorpay. So Razorpay is India's #1 payment gateway service, right? So here we will add new plugin in our dashboard. We will first of all go to the plugin, and then we will add new plugin, and here we will find Razorpay. Now we will install Razorpay for WooCommerce. Then activate it. Then we will log in to our Razorpay account. And here we will go to account and setting, and again account and settings, and here we will click at this API keys. And here we will regenerate live key, and we will get a OTP in our connected number. Next, it will ask deactivate old key immediately. So here we will deactivate the old key immediately, and we will get two things, key ID and key secret. So here in the plugin we will go to the setting, and in the setting we will find this two place, key ID and key secret. So we will copy this key ID and we will copy this key secret. Payment action, it will ask, so authorize and capture, so keep it default and save changes. Now the payment has been done. Now here we are in our store, and let's say we want to buy something and we want to pay for it, right? So let me click in the sari, and here we have sari, this particular sari, and we want to add it, two products, two saris, and then we want to go to view cart. So actually one product I have already stored to check, to test the payment. So let me reduce this and let me remove this one. Okay, and now let me check how the payment is working. So proceed to checkout, and now all the details has been already there, my details, and so here by default pay by Razorpay is active, and let me press pay order. Now here you will get the Razorpay, this UI. Either you can pay using UPI, cards, EMI, net banking, wallet, or some other options are there as well. So in this way you can use the payment gateway Razorpay. Hi, if you are willing to create your online store, you can connect with me in the given number below, or if you are out of India, you can connect with me in the WhatsApp as well. Thank you.